Hello YouTube, finally time has come. It's the Resumer 3D giveaway time. Got them the other day, got one out the box, this one down here, had a little play with it. I'm keeping that one. Going to do some stuff with it over on the CR10. But these other four here, as I promised, are going on a giveaway. Now, really simple giveaway. In fact, the majority of you don't need to do anything at all. Basically, it works out like this. If you are one of my Patreon subscribers, you get one name written down on a piece of paper, screwed up, chucked in a hat. If you are a person who at some point in the past has, during a live stream or at any other time, given me a donation towards the channel, your name gets written on a piece of paper, screwed up, chucked in a hat. And anybody who is a YouTube subscriber, doesn't matter wherever you are in the world, if you subscribe to me, your name gets written on a paper, screwed up in a little ball and chucked in a hat. Now, if you do all three of those things, if you've given me some money during a live stream, if you're one of my Patreons, there's only a few of you, like that many on the list, and if you also, of course, are a subscriber, your name goes in the hat 3 times. Simple. Except for one thing. Some of you have your privacy settings on YouTube set up in such a way that I don't know what your name is. I do not know whether you are a subscriber to me or not. Now, this is fine. I totally understand that. I don't have a problem with it, but it means that I can't put your name in a hat as a YouTube subscriber because I can't see it. So my plan is this. 1 week from today, which will be the 25th of August, Saturday the 25th of August, between 8 AM and 10 AM UK time, I want you to change the privacy settings for YouTube so I can see who you are. Now, I'm not going to get all your information. YouTube doesn't give me all your information. It literally gives me your name. I can write that name down. I can, on a little piece of paper, I can screw it up in a ball. I can put it in a hat. You have a chance of winning. If you don't want to do that and you do not want to change your privacy settings for that 2 hours next Saturday morning, I understand. But you will not be put into the draw as a YouTube subscriber. I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. So if you haven't done that, remember to do it. Set a reminder, write it on the wall, write it on your forehead backwards, whatever you need to do to remember that one thing. And that's it. Saturday afternoon, all the names in a hat. I will pull them out. I'll give them to the missus. She can pull one out. I'll give one to the daughter. She can pull one out. I was going to give one to the dog to pull out, but she'll probably just end up eating all the paper, so that's possibly not a good idea. New from Neris is doing a video as we speak. Thank you very much, Neris, for interrupting my giveaway, but we'll let you off with this one. And that's it. I'll draw the names out. I'll stick another little video up, giving the names of the people who have won. You then have 1 week from that date, so that takes us into the beginning of September. Because if it's the 25th, it'll be the 1st of September, something like that. The following Saturday, you've got 1 week and 1 week only to get in contact with me. And I'll get your details from you. And wherever you are in the world, I must be mad. One of these will be in the post here. So there's going to be 4 lucky winners. If one person wins twice, you're not getting 2. I'm sorry, it doesn't work like that. If you've won one and your name comes out again, it'll just be put to one side and somebody else will get a go. I'm not having one person win 3. That wouldn't be fair on the rest of you. So although you've got 4 chances, or 3 chances, sorry, you can only win a maximum of 1. Okay? It's the only way to do it fairly. It's the only way to give everybody a chance of winning. With just over 2,500 subscribers, 3 Patreons, and about 5 people who've supported me through Streamlabs. At the moment, I've got about 800 entries because there are so few people who actually tell me who they are on YouTube. So you've got a fairly good chance at the moment. You've got about a 4 in 800, so that's a 2 in 400, so that's a 1 in 200. There you go, you've got a 1 in 200 chance at the moment. But I expect a few more people to do that next week for me so I can get your name in that hat. Anyway, enough of the waffling. You want to win one of these, you want it sent to your door free of charge, you know what to do. In fact, most of you don't have to do anything. Anyway, video out next week, Saturday afternoon at some point, with the name of the 4 people that have won these. Good luck, everybody. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for subscribing and supporting me the way you do. You're marvellous people. Take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.